Hello everyone and welcome. If you've been looking for a saw that can cut just about anything, just about anywhere, then a cordless reciprocating saw is just what you need. And you happen to be in luck because today we're looking at the Kimo 20V cordless brushless reciprocating saw. Now over the past year and a half, I've added a lot of Kimo tools to my collection, and the Kimo tools have been very good to me. So I thought I would add this full-size reciprocating saw to my tool collection and share with you guys how it works. So let's unbox this bad boy and see how it performs. But before we do that, if you enjoy watching honest tool and product reviews plus helpful DIY projects, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you get notified every time I produce a new product review video or DIY video. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Here's a shot of the box for you, the Kimo cordless reciprocating saw. Let's open this puppy up. Comes in a nice storage pouch. Let me get this out of here. We'll keep on going. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. Now this is the Kimo 20V cordless brushless full-size reciprocating saw, available on Amazon, link in description below. Now at the time of making this video, this kit retails for $99.99, but they also have a $50 discount on their Amazon page, bringing it down to $49.99, so $50 for this whole kit. Now, I will point out that this is the 2 amp hour battery version. They also have on the same page a 4 amp hour battery version, and that one retails for $129.99, and it also has the $50 discount applicable, so that brings that one down to around $80. So it's totally up to you whether you want a 2 amp hour battery or 4 amp hour battery. Check it out on that page and decide what works best for you. Now, what do you get in the box when you open up this puppy? Well, you get the saw itself, you get 8 different blades for cutting different material, you get 6 wood cutting blades and 2 metal cutting blades, which are also good for plastic. You get a 1-hour rapid charger. In this case, you get a 2 amp hour 20V lithium-ion rechargeable battery. You get a nice bag to keep everything in, and you get the owner's manual that tells you everything about the unit, specifications, warranty, all that kind of good stuff. I suggest you read through that. Now, the dimensions on this unit are 14 inches in length, 6.5 inches in height if you look at the handle back here, and 3.5 inches in width. The weight on this unit is very lightweight. It's only 3.7 pounds, much lighter than other units that I've seen on the market. The warranty on this unit is 2 years. And this unit does have a 20V brushless DC motor that can produce anywhere from 0 to 3300 SPMs, or strokes per minute. It does have a 1-inch stroke, giving you more cuts per minute. It also has a variable speed trigger, which I'll demonstrate in a moment. It also has a tool-free blade change, allowing you to change the tool quickly and easily without any kind of special tools needed. It has a convenient rubber overmold on the back and the front here, reducing fatigue when you're using the saw and cutting different types of material. So this saw is great for cutting wood, tile, metal, ceramics, plastics. You can use it for demolition, tree trimming, plumbing work, under the house, under the sink, just about anything that you want to do, this saw can do it. Change to the appropriate blade and you can use this saw for just about anything. So let's move this stuff around and take a closer look at the saw. Alright guys, so let's take a little closer look at the unit itself. As you can see, this is what the unit looks like with the battery installed. And like I said, it's a very lightweight unit. Even with the battery, it is still very lightweight and comfortable enough to be able to use it with one hand. As you can see, I can hold it with one hand, switch it around side to side, use it for cutting, whatever the case may be. You don't always need to use both hands. So if you need to reach into somewhere where it's very difficult to get to and you only have one hand to grip it with, you can technically use this saw just fine with one hand. And like I said, it has a very nice rubber overmold on the back, even in the middle here, so you can grip it in the middle. This is nice and rubbery, this whole black part here. And on the front, obviously, since it's a full-size two-handed reciprocating saw, a lot of times you're going to be using it this way, holding it with both hands to get a nice grip on it. So that's very convenient right there. Now the battery back here, I charged it up. And you can see it has a nice level indicator telling you exactly how much power you have in that battery. And if you look at the saw like this, like I said, the front here is a tool-free blade change. And all you do is rotate the head and then you can insert the blade into it without having any special tools or anything required. All you do is switch it around, flip it around from side to side and insert the blade into it. Let me show you right there. Put the blade in, close it up, and that's it. You're done. The blade is installed. You're ready to go. And when I mentioned previously about having a variable speed trigger, I'll show you what I mean right now. so you can select whatever speed is appropriate for your given project. And the good thing also, like I said, about this saw is that it is a brushless saw, unlike some other brands out there like the Bauer from Harbor Freight, which is still a brushed unit. Being brushless means no sparking. So if you're in a situation where you have some hazardous chemicals around you that may have noxious gases, you don't need to worry about sparks causing you any trouble. This is a brushless motor, so very convenient in that situation. Alright, so let's get this puppy going. Let's do some cutting and see how it performs. Alright guys, I changed over to a wood blade and we're going to start off by cutting this 3/4 inch shelving right here, 3/4 inch particle board. Let's see how it cuts through that, and then we'll move on to other products after that. And there you have it. No effort whatsoever. It cut right through it without any trouble. Let's move on. Alright, here we have a 2x6 piece of lumber. Let's see how it cuts through this. Not just a 2x4, a 2x6. Let's see how it does it. There you can see that's a 2x6 right there, 2 wide and 6 long. There you go, look at that nice clean cut. Very nice. And we're using the Kimo blades that came with it, and they're cutting very nicely. Alright, so I switched over to the metal cutting blade, which is good for metal and plastics, and we're going to be cutting through a PCB piece of pipe right now, some sprinkler pipe, thick-walled pipe. I'll show you in a moment after I cut it, so let's see how it cuts through this puppy. And there you see the thickness of the pipe. Let me show you the uncut side. There you go. It is a good thick-walled PCB pipe. Let's cut through this and see what it does. And there you go. Regardless of the angle, it cuts through it beautifully. No problem whatsoever. Alright, and here we have a nice thick piece of metal pipe, a good rusty steel pipe. Let's see how it cuts through that puppy. Let's give it a go. And there you go, no trouble at all. And there you have it. Alright guys, there you have it. A review and demonstration of the Kimo 20V brushless, cordless, full-size reciprocating saw. I think this is a great saw for the money. If you're looking for a full-size, cordless reciprocating saw that brings everything you need for a great price, I think you should consider this Kimo saw right here. For less money than the Harbor Freight Bauer or Ryobi saw, but with the same quality as those name brands, you can get a complete kit from Kimo at a fraction of the price. None of the other tools bring you everything that this Kimo saw brings right here. Check out their Amazon page for complete details. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.